Question number 12. A vibrating string is fixed at both the ends. The frequency of the second harmonic of a stationary wave is generated on the string is 240 Hz. What is it saying? Vibrating string is fixed at both the ends. So what is being generated? The stationary wave. So what kind of stationary wave it is? It allows all harmonics. It allows all harmonics. What do you mean by it allows all harmonics? Which means it has harmonics like F0, F1, or maybe I can say F0, 2F0, 3F0, 4F0, 5F0, and so on. All the harmonics have been allowed. Okay. Frequency of the second harmonic of the stationary wave is generated is 240 times 240 Hz, which means it's already given to you as 2F0 is equal to 240, which means the F0 should be equal to 120 Hz. Okay. What is the frequency of the fifth harmonic? Fifth harmonic is 5 times F0, which should be, just multiply this by the fundamental. You get 5 into 120, which is equal to 600 Hz. So the answer is CO.